is for tiger, big and loud, roaring strong and walking proud. T is for train, on a track, chugga chugga clickety clack. T is for turtle, slow and shy, carrying his house as he walks by. T is for table, where we eat, with little chairs and tiny feet. T is terrific, strong and neat. It starts the words that sound so sweet. From turtle to train, from top to tree, the letter T is fun, you see. T is for toothbrush, up and down, cleaning teeth all around town. T is for tent, we take to camp, we light it up with a little lamp. T is for tree, so tall and green, with birds and nests that can be seen. T is for toes that tap and play, let's dance with T all day. T is terrific, now you know. Say it fast or say it slow. Time to cheer and clap with glee. T is special, just like me. Wow, wow, the letter W. So many things to show to you. Let's clap our hands and dance along. W is the star of our fun song. Will is for whistle loud and clear, blowing sounds for all to hear. Is for wagon, red and bright, pulling toys with joy and might and right. Whiz for wallet, where coins hide, snug and safe, tucked deep inside. Is for window, wide and tall, letting sunshine through the wall. Oh, wow, wow, the letter W. So many things to show to you. Let's clap our hands and dance along. W is the star of our fun song. Whiz for watch, tick, tick, tock, telling time around the clock. Whiz for web, so thin and neat, a spider's home with silky feet. Whiz for watering can, helping flowers grow as planned. Whiz for windmill, turning round, spinning blades without a sound. Wow, 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 the letter W. We learn so much, yes, me and you. Is fun, we shout hooray. We'll learn more letters every day. O is for objects around or bright. Let's find the O's left and right. Big or small, let's sing and play. Say O out loud, hooray, hooray, hooray. O is for orange, juicy and sweet, a healthy snack we love to eat. O is for oval, shaped just so, not a circle, but close, you know. O is for octopus, arms all around, wiggling gently without a sound. O is for oven, warm and hot, bakes the cookies in a cozy spot. O is for objects round or bright. makes us blink. Oh, what a sight. O is for orchestra playing tunes, music rising like balloons. O is for owl, awake at night, flying under the moonlight. O is for objects round or bright. We found the O's with pure delight. Now we know the O sound true. O is fun for me and you.
Let's audit. Let two. Count wide. Let's add with two. Come play. We'll count and giggle all the way. Jump up high and twirl around. Let's add with joy to every sound. Counting is fun, we know it's true. So come along and add with two. 2 plus 1 is 3. Let's cheer. Clap your hands and wiggle your ear. 2 plus 2 is 4. All right. Tap your toes with all your might.
2 plus 3 is 5.
So fine.
Draw big stars and let them shine. 2 plus 4 is 6.
Let's go.
March in place and say,
Hello. 2 plus 5 is 7. Hooray. Hop like bunnies all the day. 2 plus 6 is 8. Oh yes. Spin in circles. What a success. Let's add with 2. Come play. We'll count and giggle all the way. Jump up high and twirl around. Let's add with joy to every sound. Counting is fun, we know it's true. So come along and add with 2. 2 plus 7 is 9, so neat. Dance and tap your little feet.
2 plus 8 is 10.
Let's cheer. Wave your hands and smile from ear to ear.
2 plus 9 is 11.
Wow! Make a silly face right now.
2 plus 10 is 12.
Hooray!